4 online businesses to start from anywhere. Hello smart movers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about 4 online businesses that you can start from anywhere. These 4 businesses are relatively easy to get started with, and they have the potential to be very profitable. First, freelance writing or editing. If you can write or edit, you can start a freelance business from home. There are many websites that connect freelancers with clients, such as Upwork and Fiverr. You can find work in a variety of niches, such as blog posts, articles, website content, and even ghostwriting. Second, virtual assistant. Virtual assistant provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients. It doesn't matter where you are, you can provide this service from anywhere. This is an excellent option if you have experience in any of these areas, such as administrative, time management, calling, social media management, scheduling, and many others are the important task for virtual assistant. Create online courses, YouTube channels, and blogging. If you have experience in a specific subject, you can create an online course and sell it through many platforms such as Teachable. You can also start a YouTube channel or blog to share your knowledge with the world. This is a great way to build an audience and generate passive income. 4. Writing and translating books and publish on Amazon. If you can write or you are proficient in multiple languages, consider creating and publishing books on Amazon. You can write fictions or non-fictions books, short stories, poetries, or even translate existing books into different languages. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP platform allows you to self-publish your work and make it available to millions of readers worldwide. I have written 3 books which are available on Amazon. Smart movers, these are the 4 online businesses that you can start from anywhere. I hope this video gives you some idea for your own business. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment. If you would like to start your own business, I highly recommend to read Be Your Own Boss book and also Create Your Own Empire. Be Your Own Boss book is motivational book, and Create Your Own Empire is a practical book that gives you step-by-step guidance.